Good evening folks, just another teardown video for you. It's on this Now TV box, which is Now TV is a subsidiary of British Sky Broadcasting here in the UK, and this is the 4200SK-UK model. Doesn't appear to be a teardown video of this particular model on YouTube, so I thought this was just lying in the workshop, because for those of you not aware, these come with a voucher for 3-month trial of Sky movies or entertainment package, or a couple of day passes for what do you call it, sports channels, and they're practically giving these away. Sometimes you get into shops and they're always on offer for £15 or £20, and I got a few of these. They were reduced to, I think it was £7.50 for 3 months access to Sky, and yeah, it was just cheaper to buy the box and just use the coupon, the voucher, because I can I've got Now TV on my smart TV, so you just enter the code and you don't need to use the box. So yeah, anyway, in the box, it's not an unboxing, but yeah, you get a, what is it, 5.99 volts at 2 amps, very specific voltage on that. You get a little dinky remote, quite tactile buttons on that, and you get the Now TV box itself, which comes with all the protective film on it. So this is a 720p box. Sorry, I should mention this is a streaming service, so it connects to either the Ethernet port, or it has got built-in Wi-Fi. It's also got HDMI and a micro SD card slot, and obviously a DC in, and there's a small reset switch in there as well. And yeah, I just thought we'd tear this apart. I think on the older versions, you used to be able to sort of hack them and put Kodi or whatever on it, but yeah, I don't think you can with these newer ones. Now there's no visible screws, so I'm assuming, possibly wrongly, that there's going to be screws underneath the rubber feet, but it doesn't appear that there is. Oh, there is, yeah. Here we go. And this will be totally destructive. This will just be going in the bin. I might salvage it for parts, but I doubt very much if there'll be anything of interest in here. Right, what have we got? We have got the tiniest of tiny tot screws. Don't appear to be this is security type, so what do we see? I think this one might do the job. Yep. So it might only actually be 3 screws that's holding this together. And there appears to be some sort of, I don't know if you can see in there, it appears to be some sort of test points. Oh yeah, straight in. That wasn't difficult at all. Right, so let's just have a look around the inside of this box. Then we've got obviously an indication LED there, and infrared receiver for our remote control. We've got 2 formed metal antennas for the Wi-Fi, a USB socket on the side, and as I already showed you, the various sockets, including that micro SD there, and a small reset switch. Okay, so it's a Broadcom package on here, and presumably that's handling the both the wireless and what do you call it, wired networks. Couple of Samsung memory packages there. Little Texas Instruments, not sure what that is. A couple of little inductors and such like. Tiny little crystal down in there, crystal oscillator, and some various other passive components, you know, 0 ohm resistors, and that's pretty much all she wrote. On the other side, struggling to read what that is. I cannot even. Oh, expansion. I don't know what that is. That package is, but then lots of, you know, tiny surface mount devices. I mean, this is a really small Torx screwdriver. What is it? Torx 5HF. Yeah, it's tiny. So you can see there's not a lot to it at all. I don't even know if we can pry this. This cans appears to be soldered on, so I can't even remove that. In fact, yeah, we'll just tear it off. Actually, let's say this is not going to be used again. So, obviously, I could desolder this, but not advisable to do it yourself. Another Broadcom package in there, so possibly two. I suppose this small quad flat pack's doing the network and stuff. This must be the sort of video processing and such like. Yeah, can't see anything else really of interest. So there's not a lot we can really take off this either. It's all pretty much surface mount stuff. I don't know if you can see inside that micro SD slot, but the soldering's pretty bad inside that. Yeah, so there you go. That's what's inside the latest model of the now TV box. Not a lot. Yeah, really cheap to manufacture these in bulk. Hence, you're getting them for, you know, £10 or £15, including, you know, a Sky subscription for 3 months. So there you go, guys. Just thought it's something different to do. See you again soon. A little bolt onto the end. I just realised when I picked up the bottom half of the casing, it was really heavy, and yeah, they've fixed quite a hefty bit of steel plate in the bottom just to give it some weight, because when you pick it up it feels quite heavy. It feels like a quality item, but yeah, just a cheap piece of steel creates that illusion. Anyway, catch you in a bit, guys. Bye bye.